In this video, I'll show you two of the best free platforms to learn email marketing and get certified this 2024. I know there are dozens of email service providers that offer free email marketing certification courses, but I consider HubSpot and Brevo to be the best out there. I'm Akpobo Joseph from District Marketer, and in this video, I'll share 4 reasons why I chose HubSpot and Brevo Academies as the best platforms to learn email marketing. To access both learning platforms, go to Google, search for HubSpot or Brevo Academy, create an account, and search for email marketing, then begin your training. The first reason why I consider both HubSpot and Brevo Academies to be the best platforms to learn email marketing is that they are both email service providers that offer customer relationship management capabilities. Their courses discuss the importance of integrating an ESP and CRM features extensively. With the CRM organizing your customer data, it becomes easier for you to send targeted emails to the subscribers and build stronger relationships with them. By the way, if you are finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up to let the algorithm know that this is good content that it should spread around. My second reason is that the courses are well structured and comprehensive. They are designed to follow a logical order that makes your learning experience better. Whether it's 4 hours you spend learning email marketing through HubSpot Academy or 2 hours through Brevo Academy, I can guarantee you that it's going to be time well spent, as both of them will take you through the basics to the advanced email marketing techniques. The third reason why I prefer both of them is that they have knowledgeable and friendly trainers. I especially like HubSpot Christian's effective use of illustrations to begin each lesson, and Brevo's impactful use of practical animations when they want to begin each section. The trainers will make you simply enjoy the course. The fourth reason is that after completing the exams, once you pass, you'll be given a certificate of completion, which you can add to your CV or add to your LinkedIn profile and possibly flaunt on your social media platforms. And that way, it improves your chances of getting a job as an email marketer. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to easily pass HubSpot email marketing certification exam. So I'll suggest that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and be the first to be notified when I publish the video. I would love to hear from you. Which of the platforms that offer email marketing certification do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.